Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on this video. Guys, Maki the Strapper Queen is accused of scamming people on Facebook. She has been accused of scamming the poor people of their money while she earns a lot and lot of thousands, guys. And I have to agree with this. Like, I agree with the people that are complaining because what the heck? Like, what is happening with Umaki? You know? So, a few days ago, she posted that her TV is broken. The dog um, messed up with the TV. The screen was not working. She was really sad, really, because it's such a huge TV. And she recently bought it. Like, it's not old, it's fairly new. So she was sad. She posted on Facebook asking for donations to buy a new TV, ne? And when I saw this, because I also follow her, when I saw this, I thought maybe it's just a joke, nyana, as she likes joking around fairly. But no, I saw people sending money. I saw screenshots of people sending money. They were sending and then screenshotting and then posting in the comment section, Gucci, Naimali, Naimali. At some point, someone even donated with a 4K, guys, in 4K. So, okay, people started, okay, days, I think it's a day after that, after the donations, or 2 days after. She then bought her son an iPhone, guys. An iPhone, saying that she is thanking her son for being the best cameraman. She was just showing appreciation to her son, which is a good thing. But people are just complaining with how we are donating for you and then you go and buy your son an iPhone. Like, make it make sense. One moment you are complaining about your TV, the next moment you are buying an iPhone. Which one is it? Were we donating for the iPhone or we are donating for the TV when you only had money for the iPhone? Cause like Guningi Sana, someone even commented and said, donate for what when you know very well Maki makes a lot of money via content. You donated because you wanted to. A person bought cars and forever living a lavish life, but you think she needs donations, which makes sense. And then someone said, I still blame myself for donating my last 10 rand only for you to buy your son an iPhone. I mean, I don't have an iPhone myself. Like, I don't know. I thought it was just a joke, Sana, but people donated really. For Umaki, someone who has a Raptor, who has cars, someone who is one of the top earners on Facebook. Like, and she really took the money when people were donating. So it means that she was very serious about getting the donations, Sana. And then someone also said, Uguti, someone shared the post where she was posting Uguti she bought her son an iPhone. And then the caption was that after Tsonzo bought her baby sister, this one is competing with people that are not on her level. And then she replied to the post and said, wrong audience. I don't even watch her, Kabang. My child is working as my cameraman and he deserves to be spoiled. You are a hater and I have blocked you long time ago. You keep popping up on my page. So people are also accusing her of copying Utsonzo Zandile, if you guys know her. They are accusing her of copying Utsonzo, saying Guti Utsonzo bought an iPhone for her baby sis. Now you are buying an iPhone for your son. You are in competition with her, all of that. But yeah, on the other hand, she also bought the TV, guys. This is the Hisense TV that she bought. Ayilanda ngani ngemoto yakhe enhle enkulu. Like, I really don't get this concept. I really do not get it. And the person that donated with the 4K, I'm not sure if it was really a donation or maybe it's one of the jokes, but people really donated, guys. She was posting screenshots, updating us. Ukuthi people are really donating. Like, I, so we don't know. Maybe the donations money she bought the TV and then she bought an iPhone with her own money. But hey, the person who is always drinking Hennessy, sana drinking expensive alcohol. wearing frontals. She even shared on Facebook that she's making a lot of money to be asking for donations. And then us, you use your last 30 rand to donate. Imagine she has more than a million followers on Facebook. So when you combine all those 50 rands, all those 200 nama 20 rand that she was posting there that people have donated, how much is that money? Hi, Sana. It can never be me, shame. It can never be me. But people were just donating from their hearts and from an open from their open hearts. But it can never be me, shame. Sorry, Sana. How?